What if I told you there's a strategy that's completely free, and it generated a mind-blowing 80% return in 2024? I know what you're thinking, that sounds like one of those too good to be true offers, right? Like the free stuff on the internet that turns out to be a trap. But trust me on this one, it's real and it's legit. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive into this trading strategy that could seriously change your financial game. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trading Intel. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things trading. We're here to make the markets make sense, give you actionable strategies, and maybe even help you buy that dream vacation home you've been daydreaming about. Well, at least pay for a nice dinner every now and then. Today, we've got a strategy that's got more potential than your last Tinder date. Seriously, this strategy is all about moving averages. And not just your average moving averages, nope. We're talking about a 5-period and a 19-20-period crossover strategy. Yeah, you heard me right. One of them's basically the short attention span of a goldfish, and the other one's like the wise old tortoise of trading. Alright, here's the deal. The 5-period moving average is the short-term one, the fast one. It reacts quickly, just like that moment when you see your phone screen lighting up with a notification. It's all about immediate action. Meanwhile, a 19-20 period moving average, that's like your grandparents' old watch. It takes its sweet time, it's steady, it's reliable. It's the long-term trend, the one that says, I've seen a lot of things, kid. I'm not going anywhere. So when the 5-period moving average crosses over the 19-20 period moving average, you know it's time to pay attention. It's like a tiny boat crossing paths with a huge ocean liner. Something's about to happen, and it's worth watching. But okay, don't just take my word for it. Let's look at how this works in real life. In 2024, this strategy racked up 1313 trades. Yes, over 1,300 trades. And after all those trades, it finished with a net gain of 827.26 pips. That's an 80% return. Now, I know some of you might be sitting there thinking, wait, did I hear that right? 80% return? Yeah, you heard it right. If you started with $1,000, you'd walk away with an extra $800 by the end of the year. That's not just pocket change. That's like upgrading your phone, getting a weekend getaway, or finally treating yourself to that fancy dinner you've been putting off for months. But let's really dive into the details, because the devil is in the data. Right? Here's where things get even more interesting. When we break down the trades, we see that the total sum of pips from all the profitable trades was a whopping 16,151 pips. Meanwhile, the sum of pips from all the losing trades was only 15,324 pips. That's a difference of 827 pips. Now, wait for it. This is the gold nugget right here. The average winning trade gave you 50.79 pips. Meanwhile, the average losing trade only gave you 15.40 pips. Let me say that again, 79 pips versus 15.40 pips. In other words, for every loss, you're getting almost 3 times more reward on the winning side. It's like a one-sided tug of war, and your profits are winning by a landslide. This strategy isn't just about trading more, it's about trading smarter. It's like having a small but mighty superhero on your side. Smaller losses, bigger wins. That's how you stack up those profits over time. So, let me ask you, does that sound like a strategy worth trying? Because if it does, you're in for a real treat. The best part is, it's all about quality over quantity. You don't need to make 100 trades a day. You just need to make the right ones. And get this, the average holding time for each trade is just 49 minutes. That's right, less than an hour. You can set your trades, grab your coffee, go for a walk, and check back later to see how things went. This strategy isn't about spending your whole day glued to your screen, stressing over every market movement. Nah, it's low maintenance, high reward. You can even sneak in a nap if you wanted. Just set it, forget it, and come back to see those gains rolling in. So let's break it down one last time with this strategy on average. You'll open for trades a day, each lasting under an hour, and by the end of the year, you could be looking at an 80% return in 2024. And the best part, it's free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure trading goodness. Now, I can already hear you thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I make it work for me? How do I tweak it for even better results? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to help you. Drop a comment below if you want me to back-test different stop-loss levels, adjust take profits, or even explore other indicators that might help make this strategy even more powerful. I'm here to help you level up, so no question is too small. We're in this together. But before you go off and start testing this out, let's take a second to appreciate how far we've come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more strategies, tips, and tricks that will help you crush the markets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.